Alright, we'll start with number 19. Alright, number 19, it's a system of 3 equations problem. So first thing you want to do is label your two equations 1 and 2 because the third one is already a solution. Oh boy. So this one you can use substitution because you know x is 3. So you want to take each equation, so equation 1, which is x plus 2y minus z equals 6, and replace the x with the 3 because we already know it's a 3. So 3 plus 2y minus z equals 6. And then from here you want to subtract the 3 because we're trying to keep the variables and the numbers on separate sides of the equal sign. So 2y minus z equals 3. Now we have to do the same thing with the other equation. So on equation 2, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to write 2x, but x is 3. So 2 times 3 minus 4y plus 3z equals 5. Alright, 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 4y plus 3z equals 5. And so then we subtract 6 from both sides. And so then our new equation is going to be negative 4y plus 3z equals negative 1. So these are our two new equations. So equation 3 and 4. Alright, then we're going to put 3 and 4 together. So I'm going to write it somewhere on the side over, let's see, 3 and 4 right here. So 3 was 2y minus z equals 3, and 4 was negative 4y plus 3z equals negative 1. And so from here we can use elimination. If we just multiply the top equation by 2, then we can eliminate the y value. So let's multiply the top by 2, and that would make my new equation 4y minus 2z equals 6, because everything's multiplied by that 2. And when we add that to equation number 4, which was negative 4y plus 3z equals negative 1, you can see that the y's cancel out, boom, and then it's just the 1z, which is z equals 5. So that just gave me one of my answers. Nice. So z equals 5. And then we can find y right away because we look back in one of our new equations, 3 or 4, and we can find the y. So equation 3 looks the easiest. So we're going to go for 3, which was 2y minus z equals 3. But z is 5, so it's going to be 2y minus 5 equals 3. So we add 5 to both sides, and that leaves me with 2y equals 8. Divide both sides by 2, and y equals 4. Now we have all 3 of our values. X is 3, y is 4, and z is 5. So my final answer should be 3, 4, 5, because it's x, y, and z, and that is number 19. Well, that's not the actual thing.